Hello, package delivery?
Hi, that is for me?
Yes, are you Tom?
Yes, that is me.
Great, sign here, please.
Sure, no problem.
Just your signature, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for delivering.
No problem at all.
Is it heavy?
A little bit, yes.
Let me take it.
Careful, it might shift.
Okay, I have it.
Good, nicely done.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Wait, one more thing.
Yes. What is it?
Need your ID, please.
Oh, sure. Here it is.
Thank you. All confirmed.
Is everything correct now?
Yes, perfect match.
Great. Thank you.
This is fragile package.
Oh, I will be careful.
Please open it carefully.
I will. Thank you.
Anything broken, contact us.
Okay, good to know.
Here is our number.
Thank you very much.
Keep this receipt too.
Yes, I will keep it.
Was this expected today?
Yes, I was waiting.
Good, no surprise then.
No, I ordered last week.
Fast delivery this time.
Yes, very fast, actually.
We try our best.
You are doing great.
Thank you. Kind words.
I mean it sincerely.
Is this your house?
Yes, I live here.
Nice house you have.
Thank you very much.
Been here long?
About 2 years now.
Good neighborhood this is.
Yes, very quiet area.
I deliver here often.
Really? To this street?
Yes, almost every week.
I never noticed you before.
Different drivers sometimes too.
Ah, that explains it.
Today is my route though.
Nice to meet you then.
Nice to meet you too.
What is your name?
My name is Jack.
Good to know, Jack.
And you are Tom, correct?
Yes, exactly right.
Good memory I have.
Very impressive.
Comes with the job.
I imagine so. Yes.
Many deliveries every day.
How many exactly?
About 60 packages daily.
Wow, that is many.
Yes, very busy schedule.
Must be tiring work.
Yes, but I enjoy it.
What do you enjoy?
Meeting different people daily.
Like me today.
Exactly. Friendly people too.
I try to be friendly.
It shows. Really does.
Thank you. Kind of you.
Do you order often?
Yes, quite often actually.
Online shopping is convenient.
Yes, saves so much time.
No need to leave home.
Exactly my thinking too.
Modern life made easy.
Yes, technology helps a lot.
Though I prefer driving outside.
Better than office work?
Yes, much better for me.
I understand that completely.
Fresh air every day?
Sounds like a good job.
Yes, I really enjoy it.
Glad you like your work.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Any more deliveries today?
Yes, 10 more stops.
Busy afternoon ahead then.
Yes, always busy afternoons.
I will let you go.
Thank you for understanding.
Of course, no problem.
Enjoy your package. Tom,
I definitely will, Jack.
what did you order?
New laptop, actually.
Oh, exciting purchase.
Yes, very excited.
Enjoy your new laptop.
Thank you so much.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Safe driving.
Thank you, I will.
See you next delivery.
Yes, see you then.
Take care, Jack.
Take care, Tom. Bye.
Bye. Thank you again.
My pleasure. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a good one.
You too. Take care.
Thank you. I will.
Drive safe. See you.
Yes. Drive safe, Jack.
Always do.
Good to hear.
Thanks for being kind.
You are very welcome.
Not everyone is, sadly.
That is unfortunate to hear.
Yes, but mostly good people.
I am glad to hear that.
This job has its moments.
Like meeting friendly customers?
Exactly. Like you, Tom.
Thank you, Jack.
Well, I better go now.
Yes, go finish your route.
Thanks for the chat.
Thank you, too. It was nice.
Made my day better.
Glad I could help.
See you around, Tom.
See you around, Jack.
Take it easy now.
You too. Bye, Jack.
Bye. Enjoy your laptop.
I will. Goodbye.